Alright, boys and girls, we are in the EcoBoost Mustang, heading down to Miami. It's New Year's Eve. Heading down to Supercar rooms and partying up there. They're having a big supercar event, well, hot rods, just a big celebration of cars in general. And yeah, just gonna cruise on down, about an hour drive, so let's rock and roll. Alright, I'm here at Supercar rooms. So, making my way over to the entrance, not the usual place. Usually the entrance is about over there, at least I think it is. But I think they kind of expanded it. It's a larger space now, so you know it makes sense that perhaps they would be using that space over there. So let's hop in and see what cars are here. Oh, well there you go. Right off the bat, we got a Veyron. Flat black and gold. Flat black and flat gold. Okay. Look at that 16-cylinder engine. We got a Fiat 500. Barth. Holy shit. This has got some work done to it. Twin turbo, almost 1,300 horsepower. Look at this crazy diesel. Holy shit. Got some lowriders. Oh, nice. There you go. Let's see what cars are over here. What's up, bro? Oh, what is this baby? This is a... can't even read it. Stutz Motor Cars of America. This is the Stutz. Man, that doesn't look like anything I've ever seen. Superfly. Oh, wait a second. Oh, this makes... oh. I can't quite. I think this is like a movie car. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, look at this freaking thing. Not 100% sure. We got this thing over here. Cadillac. Go. Twin intakes, probably have some 2 carburetors or something. Yeah, 2 big carbs. There you go. And they don't make airbrushing like they used to, or at all. Nowadays, people just like print it out on vinyl. But with airbrushing, you really get an effect that just doesn't exist anymore. And over here, 2 special Ferraris. Well, I think the other one's a Maserati. But we'll check it out. This is a... oh gosh, I can't remember every Ferrari. So many models. Gated 4-speed with a dog leg. Right there. See? No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4-speed. Okay. Wasn't going crazy. So yeah. Dog leg 4-speed. Ferrari V8 up front. No. It's a V6. It's a Dino. Oh, this is a Dino engine. Okay. I'm not familiar with this model. I can't. This is like that car that. Okay, so you know how Ferrari's coming out with that new one-seater and two-seater car? This is the original one that I believe that they're basing it off of. Except this one's like a small roadster with a V6. And over here is I can't remember. I think this is a Maserati, right? Can't remember which Maserati, but it is a Maserati. Looks like it's probably based on the same chassis. I wouldn't be surprised if it is. But let's head back to the party and see what's going on there. Oh man, 2018 has been so good for Supercar Factory. Oh man, grew the company so much. We now stocks over 600 part numbers. And after I checked the YouTube channel, up to 575 subscribers. And it's just a good time. It's been great. So here's the hoping that I can continue. Here's the hoping that I can continue that success into 2019. And I can start doing some more stuff. Let's do it. It's gonna be fun. Just cross the street. Back to Supercar rooms.
better get you with the residential. Undefeated with the king too. I said no to the Super Bowl. You need me, I don't need you. Every night we in the end zone. I'm an NFL, we in stadium too. Last night was a fucking zoo. Stage diving in the pool of people ran the Liverpool like a fucking game. Smoke gorilla glue like it's fucking legal. Some of the Grammys, fuck that over age.
Alright guys, I'm heading out of Supercar rooms now. I'm gonna go check out some of Wynwood, some of South Beach. Supercar rooms has been a lot of fun. It's been very hospitable. But I want to see what else is going on. So maybe we can find some cool cars out of the spots. Let's go. All right, let's hop in the EcoBoost Mustang. Let's check it out. Oh, of course, gotta clutch in first. All right, let's rock and roll. All right, so we're in Wynwood. And there's actually quite a bit of traffic here. I'll check that out. So we got this crazy thing going on. Here's Alec Monopoly. This is where they painted that Bugatti Veyron. I mean, Chiron. The Bugatti Chiron. All right. So I've just been going for a brief drive around and not finding anything cool. Just a bunch of regular cars, a lot of Dodge Chargers. So. Let's skip town. Let's go to South Beach. All right, guys. All right, welcome to South Beach. We are on Washington Avenue. Let's see what's in store for us here. There's already a ton of people out here on the streets. Oh, okay. Check this out. We have an SLS AMG and a Mercedes G Class. Let's see, what is this? Is it a 63? Is it 55? Is it a what is it? Alright, looks like they have the badge deleted. Might be an older model, I'm not sure. But check out this SLS. Oh, it's beautiful. I've actually driven one of these. Not this one, but the Black Series. I've driven the best one. We got this Rolls Royce here. Looks like a Rolls Royce Wraith, 2-door. Way over there, a little tough to see. See a Lamborghini Huracan? Oh, I've never seen one of those before. Very rare. Huracan Spider. Oh yes, now we're talking. Get some of that sound. We got a V12 Lambo, Murcielago. Oh yes. That thing is beautiful. Looks like the rear of the car is vinyl wrapped black. Free LP, not bad. And he's turning left. Alright, so I just saw an Aventador pass by, and where there's one, there must be others. So we got a Rolls Royce Wraith. Okay. What else we got? I see a Porsche 718 Cayman. Okay. Yo! Hey! Oh yeah! 718. This guy's fun. And a bit of traffic. Oh, there's a Huracan there. There we go. Huracan in blue. Very nice. Bit of a traffic jam here. Oh, AMG GTR. Where's the GTC? GTC. Okay. Cool. All right. What other cool toys are out here? There we go. Aventador. What's up, brother?
Oh! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, man. What is this? You got an Aventador?
Yes, man.
There we go. What color is it? It's a little hard to see. Is it blue and white? No, it's kind of bad.
Pink, man.
Pink? It's a pink Aventador. It's a little hard to see because there's very little light on here. There you go. Damn, I wish I had kept the camera rolling. He, as soon as he turned left, he just ripped it down the street. Oh, man. Oh, well, whatever. Next time. What next time? All right, guys. Well, it's been real fun, but it is 2:57 in the morning. I'm actually pretty tired, so I'm going to sign off here. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked that. And I'm going to be heading back home, so I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.